Hello everyone and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set a static IP version 6 address to our Windows PC. So we already made a video about how we are going to set a static IP version 6 address on our Windows PC, but I didn't set the shortened address of IPv6 on a Windows PC. So here I have this IPv6 address. So for IPv6 we used 8 different groups, which is called hexstat. So if we try to shorten, so if you want to set this address to your Windows, so we have the best technique that you can shorten the address and then you can assign or set it on your Windows PC. So here, as you can see, we have this address. So first group, this is the second group, third group, we have this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different groups. So here for the all zeros, what we can do is that if we want to shorten this address, so we can just put the colon. So with IP version 6 we use the colon to separate groups here, but with IPv4 we use dot to separate the digits. But here, as you can see, if we try to shorten the IP version 6 address, so what we are going to do is that instead of all these groups for the zeros, we can just put this to double colon. So it means that we shorten this address, and this address is now readable by the Windows PC. So let me just go to the settings so I can set this to our Windows PC. So first, let me just press Windows key and R. So here I'm going to first show you how we are going to do it with older version of Windows, and after that I'm going to show you how you can do it with Windows 11 as well. So here, if you just click on the properties, you need to just click on the IP version 6 address. So here, if it's obtained automatically, so if your device or ISP or service provider doesn't provide you with automatic IP address, then you have to just click on this, use the following IP address, and here you need to enter. So the address was, let me just bring this run here. So I'm going to type this 2001. So I don't have to type all this address, so I'm going to use the shortened one. So we are going to see if this is going to accept by the interface card or not. So we're going to type this AB 22 colon 22 CD double colon, which we are going to put instead of all these groups, and we're going to put this colon instead of these groups. So we're going to type this F022. So I'm going to Control C and I'm going to just paste it right here and press the tab. So now, as you can see, the length or subnet now automatically it's going to show me 64. So here for the gateway I'm going to paste this, so I'm going to change it something like this 3. For the DNS, maybe this device is going to be the same address and it's going to work as a DNS server as well. So we're going to use it for our primary DNS here. So I'm going to click OK. So now we set this static IP version 6 address that we shorten on our Windows PC. Let me show you how we're going to do it with Windows 11. So I'm going to press this Windows key and I. So here on the settings, here we have this network and internet. You have to click at that. After you're going to click at that, you're going to click on the Ethernet. So we're going to assign or set this static IP address on the Ethernet interface. So I'm going to click on the edit. So here, as you can see, already it's assigned. So you're going to just paste the address here and type your subnet. So when you're going to turn on, it's going to look like this. So you have to select this manual instead of this DHCP and select this IP version 6, and here you have to type your address, your subnet prefix length, and here your gateway and your primary DNS, and also the secondary DNS that here you are going to just type it. So this is how you can set as shorten IPv6 address to your Windows PC, and it's acceptable by the with your PC, and it's acceptable by devices, because this is the best technique that you can shorten this address of IPv6, and you can set it on your Windows PC. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you learn how to shorten IPv6 address and how to set it on your Windows. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like and share this video. So see you guys in the next video.